everyone. Okay, so today I'm going to show you a call me remedy. The people who are not in contact with their exes or their partner, or they are having issues in communication with their partner, okay, or their crush, their exes, or anyone, okay. So they can use this remedy, call me remedy. It's very powerful remedy, okay. This is just a normal remedy. No harm it is there, okay, in this remedy. You just have to write it down and you just need to let it go, okay. Just write it down and forget about it. That's it. Universe will bless you with this law of attraction technique, okay. So yeah, so what you need to do, guys, okay guys, if you want this remedy to be done, kindly subscribe to my channel, kindly try it out and comment down below, okay. So the remedy is very good, okay. Let me tell you guys what you need to do. You need to make a cloud. So this is my left hand, this is my right hand. For you it will be opposite because I'm using an opposite camera. So let me do it like this, so that for you I will write from left to right. This is how we write, okay. So for you it will be different because when you will be watching, because it is just a camera problem, okay. So yeah, this is the remedy from left to right, okay. So I'm making a cloud, okay. This is a very small cloud. Anything, it doesn't have to be perfect, okay. So this is the cloud. I hope this is visible to you, okay. You can have any pen, red pen, blue pen, green pen, any pen is okay, okay. You have to write it down, whatever I am writing, in a script mode. That means in a cursive writing, okay. So what you need to write under the cloud, just under the cloud, you have to write call me, your partner's name, your partner's name. I think Shobita, Sushmita, Tesla, George, anyone, okay, your partner, whosoever it is, okay. So you have to write it, call me, just under the cloud, okay, and underline this, highlight this 3 times with line. Underline this with 3 times. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay. Call me your partner's name, whosoever it is, okay. Now from the next line, okay, you have to write it down, a message to your partner, okay. Your message will be, I missed you a lot, full stop. I missed you so much, as we haven't talked for a long time, okay. So this is a message, okay. After writing a message, on the next line you need to write, so comma, can you please call me, okay. So now call me, you have to underline it in the upwards also. Call me, you have to write, underline it 3 times, 3 times, not 3 times actually, 1 time, okay. That's okay. So can you please call me 3 times? You can underline this, call me 1 time also or 3 times also, that's not an issue, okay. So yeah, the message, I'm reading it out again for you guys. I missed you so much, I missed you a lot, I missed you so much, as we haven't talked for a long time, full stop. The next line you have to write, so comma, can you please call me. Call me should be underlined with 1 line, just 1 time you can underline it, that's it, okay. I have underlined it 3 times by mistake, you can underline it just 1 time, okay. In the next line, okay, you have to write yours lovingly, okay, or thankfully. If you're living with if you're in a relationship, you can write yours lovingly, yours dearest, your thankfully, or if you have a crush, your love, or anything you can write yours lovingly, or you can write yours thankfully. Your name, what is your name, okay. in a script mode only. Everything will be in a cursive writing. It will be everything is in a script mode. Okay, this you have to do. In the bottom, what you have to write? Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. I am so grateful to you. Grateful to you. Okay. So yeah, what you have to do, this will, it will look like this. Okay, I hope this is visible to you. Okay, here I am going to show you guys. Here is a cloud. Okay, here I have written call me, your partner's name. I have underlined it 3 times. Here is a message for your partner. I missed you a lot. I missed you so much, as we haven't spoken for a long time. In the next line, so can you please call me? Call me should be underlined. Only call me word should be underlined again. Okay, and then in the next line you have to write yours lovingly slash yours. One second, I'm just keeping it so that you guys can see it clear. I don't know guys what my camera has actually problem. Okay, so yeah, so yours lovingly slash yours thankfully, yours name, your name. Okay, your name. And in the bottom you have to write thank you, universe. I am so grateful to you. Simple. Okay, this is a call me remedy. Simple and effective. Now what you need to do, you have written it. Now you have to turn it towards your side. Don't turn it like this outside, because then person won't call you. Okay, it won't, like he will start hating you. Okay, you just need to make sure you are turning this page towards you, because you want that person should call you. Okay, should message you, should miss you, and should talk to you. Okay, so yeah, call me your person's name 1 time, call me your person's name 2 times, call me your person's name 3 times. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, call me 1 time, call me 2 times, call me 3 times. Okay, 3 times you have folded. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to keep it like this. Okay, you can keep like this also, you can keep like this also. Okay, where you have to keep, be under your on the back side of your mobile, you have to stick with a tape. Don't fold it or don't keep it behind under your mobile cover. Don't fold it or don't do it like this, otherwise it won't manifest. Just stick it on the back side of your mobile cover with a tape, cello tape, or with anything. Okay, so suppose this is your mobile. Okay, so this is your mobile and this is your cover, this is your remedy. Okay, so what you need to do, you have to stick a tape like this. Okay, I'm not showing it with the mobile, as I'm not showing it with a mobile because I just have one mobile which I'm using it for recording. Okay, so this is your mobile and this is your cover remedy. Okay, so you have to stick this with a tape or cello tape or with anything. Okay, just keep it like this, you until unless that person doesn't call you. Mostly this remedy works within 2 days to 1 or 2 months, but yeah, it really works. This is for remedies for the people who who are going through no communication thing. Okay, so you don't have to fold this. Make sure whenever you are sticking it on the back side of your mobile cover, you don't have to stick it, you don't have to put a cello tape on it, you don't have to fold it. Make sure about it. Just keep it on the back side of your mobile and stick it with a tape, because it will be more, the size of the paper will be more than the size of the mobile. Okay, so you have to just stick it on the back side like this. This is a mobile and this is like this. Okay, so you have to just stick it and you have to roam with that mobile like this. Okay, this will manifest for sure. I'm telling you guys, this is tried and tested remedy I've given to so many of the clients, and you try it out, and I just want to tell you, you try it out, comment down below and let me know. You will find it on YouTube channel also, with so many people have used this remedy. Okay, so try it out and comment down below. And just, yeah, and it also sometimes, you need to, I am going to tell you that sometimes it manifested your ex also. Sometimes the people who have already left you, they also try to contact you because they are not in communication with you currently. Okay, so this also happens. Okay, so do not worry, but the ultimate person will definitely call you. Okay, for sure. You just need to have patience and just let it go. Just put on the backside of your mobile phone and mobile cover, and just forget about it. Just forget about it, nothing else. Okay, you just do your own day-to-day work. Okay, it will manifest. You have to just let go. Don't keep on thinking about it day and night. Okay, just do the remedy and let it go, and stop thinking about it and do your daily work. Okay, whatever your routine is. Okay, so kindly like, share and subscribe, guys, and I hope you like this remedy, and kindly try it out and let me know. Okay, bye bye guys, take care.